Hey everybody, tonight I'm going to be making a shrimp curry, and this is one of my favorite things to make. It is so good, trust me, you're going to love this recipe. All right, let me take you through how we do it. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is dice the garlic and a red onion. I'm going to chop the carrots. Just need a small carrot. We had some baby carrots to get rid of. Going to cut a zucchini into small bits. On the sweet potatoes, the skin's really good for you, so we will peel off some of the black bits, but you can have skin on, skin off. It doesn't really matter. We chop those into kind of small bite-sized pieces, and now you've got your prep phase over with your vegetables. With the shrimp, I pop the tails off of the raw shrimp and then season them with some salt and make sure to juice half a lemon ahead of time, and you're ready to cook. So, one of the main things to keeping this dish healthy is we heat up some vegetable broth. We don't use any oil or any dairy. And we get that going, get the vegetables in. You want to add about a teaspoon of salt once you've got the sweet potatoes in. And then go ahead and cook those for another 3 or 4 minutes until things start to soften up a bit. And then add your zucchini in just a little bit later. You want to give the carrots and the sweet potatoes a little more time to soften up. At that point, go ahead and add your vegetable broth. We use a low sodium vegetable broth, and so I'll want more salt. So you want to keep an eye on that if you've got salt in your vegetable broth. And then the next thing is the coconut milk. So that goes in, and you want to return the whole thing to a boil and then reduce it to a simmer and just let it cook for a while. Um, you can let it cook really as long as you want, as long as you don't overdo the vegetables. Now, once it's back to a boil, you want to add in the spices, and it's really all about the curry and the cumin here. Um, you can change those things to taste if you like, but get those going and then get your shrimp in there so they start cooking. Stir it up and again, cook it for a while. Keep it covered so it stays nice and liquid. Go ahead and add the soy sauce and that lemon juice. Cover it again, cook it for a while until the shrimp are nice and tender. Go ahead and add some black pepper to taste, just kind of depends on your spice level, and the cayenne pepper. And this is really important not to overdo if you don't like things too spicy. Now, once it's cooked for a while and the shrimp are tender, go ahead as the last step and add in a big bunch of spinach. This will be deceptive. It's going to cook down, so the more spinach, the better. Go ahead and cover another 5 or 10 minutes on kind of a low simmer, and that spinach will cook right in. And that's really it. Serve it over white rice. And this is literally to die for. One of the best things I've ever cooked, and just incredible flavor. Enjoy.